Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone keyboard notification and lock sound volume low in iOS 16.1.2. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn off phone noise cancellation. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap accessibility. On the accessibility page, scroll down, tap audio and visual, turn off phone noise cancellation. Solution number 2. Turn off attention aware features. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap face ID and passcode, enter your passcode, scroll down, turn off attention aware features. Solution 3. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, tap Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 4. Turn off change with button. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap sound and haptics. Turn off change with button. Volume high and low. Solution 5. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max and 14. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Thanks for watching this video.